Yeah, you done it, man.
I don't think that maybe fluffy.
Why would you buy a fish?
Ow! That's why.
Sharoz, find your toys, man.
I said race.
Hello, guys. How are you? Sharoz, all your friends are here. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah!
You done it. Let's go. Let's go. Leave it.
No.
Leave it, Sharoz. Just put it down. Yeah, that's it. Oh man, Sharoz. Here's all your friends. What's their name?
What's her name? T.O.P.
T.O.P.?
Yeah.
Why?
Mom, I took the shoe.
Sharoz?
What?
Go with. Look, got a puppy too.
Okay.
Got a puppy too, look. This is a puppy named Tommy. Toby. Here's Toby. Sharoz, leave it. Toby's here, Toby. Look, Toby's here.
Where?
This one is Toby.
No, that's the one.
Let's go find your toys. Let's go.
Yeah.
Sharoz, you are very naughty.
Yeah.
Sharoz, leave it. Let's go. Just leave it down. Just leave it down. Go.
What the heck is that? Who knows?
Sure, let's find quickly your toys and let's go.
Toby,
Maybe your toy is here. Let's check out here. Toby, come.
Hey, where's Toby?
Let's find here. Let's find here your toys.
Where's Toby?
Oh, not you.
Where's Toby?
Look, so many babies. Why?
Well, I don't like them.
Okay, let's go.
Smash them. There.
Let's go.
Smash them. That's good. And there's so many moms.
Moms?
Mommy.
Is that what you want to buy?
No.
Let's go find your little toy.
Okay.
Come. I think it's here.
Okay.
Look at this. Giraffe. Giraffe, it can drive in the car.
30 people.
Let's go.
Oh no.
Oh, I think it's here, your toy, somewhere.
Yes! The best friend.
So, what do you want to buy, man?
I have to buy Daddy. The top here. And $5.
You can buy this, you can buy a ball.
No.
Sharoz, let's go buy quickly.
Hey.
I think this is our, no, it's Minecraft. We need to buy Roblox. Sherry, come.
Okay. What's wrong? I already moved.
Sherry.
Hey. Tommy, Cherry, baby, tell us. Never tell a perfect name.
Your name is Sherry.
No, my name supposed to be Cherry, baby, tell us. What's after that? What's that?
Sharoz?
Oh no.
So we need to buy for swimming too, man.
What's it?
For swimming, we need to go swimming pool
Why? Why?
to learn swimming.
What's it?
To learn some swimming.
Well, we have a bad idea.
What?
I don't know how to swim.
Oh man.
And I have it near.
What?
And then we usually buy stuff for swimming.
Yeah.
Daddy,
Yeah.
do you remember the Disney film?
Yes, I remember.